Shane here with Silver Sport Transmissions, and today I want to talk about our Mazda RX-7 FD swap kit. This is a Magnum 6-speed based swap kit that can actually handle the higher horsepower of the 13B and 20Bs all the way well up over 1,000 horsepower. Our kit is a little bit unique in the parts that it comes with. We use a QuickTime bell housing that is also a scatter shield. It's SFI certified. And we also supply a starter that comes with it that requires minimal case machining and a high torque mini starter. We actually machine the transmission case to clear the starter, and that way it comes as a complete package and you're not trying to deal with tunnel fitment and things like that. The starter is also placed low in the car on the lower left-hand corner so you don't have any interference issues with the tunnel. The kit is also going to include a FD-specific hydraulic kit. The master cylinder mount is not a universal mount. That is made specifically for the FD and will bolt in the stock location. It is also going to come with a transmission mount that is a short polyurethane mount that will give you plenty of tunnel clearance, and it bolts directly to a custom fabricated cross member that we did specifically for the FD. It does require deletion of the PPF and a fixed mounted differential at the back, which is common practice with those cars anyway, especially in higher horsepower applications. The last few things that it comes with also comes with a shifter stick and ball. Falls really nicely to hand in those cars and not too tall or anything like that, and the shifter is going to be a good positive feel. As far as the shifter goes, we also do a custom location for that car. That is a FD specific shifter location. So as you see here in the photo, it is positioned back, requires no tunnel modification, and you can also see the starter positioning here on the screen. Lastly, going to come with your fluids. It is going to be very, very complete. You'll get your break-in fluid and your long-term run fluid from Redline to really wrap up the whole kit. And lastly, we have in-depth instructions and a great group of tech guys here that can help with any questions you may have. So feel free to give us a call at 865-609-8187 or shoot us an email at info@shiftsst.com for a quote.